Ayan guys, so yan yung hobbies ni Cassandra. Gumagawa siya ng... Ano yung ginagawa mo na?
Bracelet!
Bracelet. Let me see. Ito, patigin. Oh, ayan.
Ito din.
Oh.
Nana!
Yung gawa ni Cassandra. Kasi Christina do drawing. Say hi, Christina. Hi,
Hello.
Christina.
Nakadraw ako ng pusa.
Anong drawing mo?
Pusa.
Oh, pusa. Oh my God.
With a heart.
With a heart.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tapos i-draw.
Si Ate Cassandra, oh,
I forgot
busy
about
siya. Oh. You forgot what?
Put like this.
Oo.
Meow!
Galing naman ng batang yan.
Meow. Meow meow. Another meow meow. Well, there's another meow. Then
There's another what?
a meow meow.
Meow.